Hey guys, we got John here. We're going to show you how to install a piggyback tuning module for HYPER Offroad for a Gen 2 Raptor. It's a 2018 Ford Raptor. He's getting started on, already pulled the intake tube out. Components within this module are a bypass connector. We've got the harness here labeled fuel high, fuel low. See here, this is map sensor, and then this is boost sensor, and then this is your tuning module right here. So John's getting started. He's taking the insert manifold cover off. Already has the intake tube out. Definitely makes it a little bit easier. After removing the intake manifold cover, John loosened the clamp here at the throttle body, disconnecting the charge pipe from the throttle body.
Zip tie clips that hold the wiring harness to the intake manifold. Just snap them out. Without breaking them. Even if you do, it's not a big deal. Because it ain't going. Okay. So then, disconnected. You get the sensor in the back.
Disconnecting each of these.
Yep. And you got your map sensor back here. Pull the plug, disconnect, out of the way. Come back to that in a minute.
And that's one of the points that the piggyback connects to.
Yep. Now you pull your intake bolts. 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter. You know, 4 rolls. Later. These don't have to. I'll take them all the way out. They'll stay in the intake. Back to this point. Can't use that anymore.
So 8 bolts total, holding intake manifold down. Disconnect the throttle body sensor.
Then there's a rubber boot back here that slides over this piece. A little boot right here goes over this just to locate it. Once that's out, all your wires are clear. Everything else is out of the way. Get clear of your intake. Wasn't the most graceful, but oh, and there's a push-in clip on the back that I forgot about. I'll show you that one. That one's okay. intake. And you got this foam insert. It says top front. Okay. So now we're going to look at high pressure fuel, low pressure fuel, map sensor, and boost sensor. So this right here is your low pressure fuel connector, and the high pressure is going to be at the bottom. The high pressure is the one that's closest to the combustion chamber. Your low is the one that's furthest away. So what you're going to do is unplug your low, hook your harness into that, hook the other side of the fuel low into the wire that comes into this normally. Do the same thing on the high, and then you run your wires out the front. It's made to length, everything's where it's supposed to be. Your boost sensor is right here on your intake pipe. You'll do the same thing, unplug your boost sensor, connect these where they go, done. In the back, map sensor, and once we put the intake back on, this will go into the actual sensor. That's it.
Put the intake manifold back on, and that's it. We're done, guys. Module plugs in right there. And it will be zip tied to the back.
So let's pull it out.
And this applies to all the 3.5 liter Gen 2 EcoBoost, Expedition, F-150, and all iterations. Thanks, guys. Enjoy.